In this video, I'll show you exactly how to compress your videos for free using a simple tool that only takes a few minutes to set up. Before we start, let me show you an example. This original video file is over 28 megabytes. And after compression, the file size drops dramatically while still looking great. Let's see how to do it. First, open your web browser. Then click the address bar at the top and search for Handbrake. You should see the official Handbrake website. Make sure you open the official site. The download link is also available in the description below if you'd like to save some time. Once you're on the website, click the download button. The installer will begin downloading. When the download finishes, open your downloads folder. You can usually find it from the left side panel inside File Explorer. Then double-click the installer and simply follow the installation steps. After installation is complete, open Handbrake. When it launches, you'll see a few different options. For this tutorial, we'll open a single video file. Click File or Open a single video file. Then browse to the video you want to compress. I have mine saved on the desktop, so I'll select the video and click Open. Now look near the top right area. You'll see the preset section. For most videos, I recommend using the 1080p preset. It provides a great balance between quality and file size. Next, move down to the video settings section. Make sure the encoder is set to the default recommended option. Then locate frame rate and change it to same as source. Also make sure constant frame rate is selected. These settings help maintain smooth playback. Now move down to the bottom section. You'll see the Save As field. Click Browse. Choose where you'd like the compressed video to be saved. I'll save mine on the desktop, and I'll name it Compressed Video. Everything is ready. Now move to the top toolbar and click Start Encode. Handbrake will now begin compressing your video. You can monitor the progress at the bottom of the window, depending on your video length and computer speed. This may take a few minutes. When the process is complete, you'll see a message saying the queue has finished. Now open the folder where you saved the compressed file. Compare the original video and the compressed version. You should notice a much smaller file size. But when you play the video, the quality should still look excellent. If this tutorial helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.